Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. And now there's a little bit of problem or trouble in Sudan as Asante Kotoko refused to train for the game against Hilal tomorrow. It's a very crucial game. I was actually recording the preview for this match when the news came in because I don't understand. It's a crucial game. Why are they behaving like this? They could ask for the podiums after the match, but reports are stating that they rejected. They refused to turn up for the first training station because of they haven't been paid their podiums. The same thing happened against Nodubu FC, but it was they were promised that they would get it. Now they're in Sudan and they refused to train in their first training session, and now the delegation leader Nana Safo Aduro, who traveled with them, convinced them and promised them that this the podiums will be paid when they come back to Ghana or something like that. They said okay, they will train. Now the problem is they missed the training session in Sudan, the first training session when the stadium was free, and they could have trained there ahead of tomorrow's game. But now the venue will be used today to play in the CAF Confederation Cup, which means Asante Kotoko will have to look for another venue to train since they won't be allowed to train in that same venue. Now it's a very huge problem. And now personally I think I think it's bad for the club, like the reputation of the club. The board members, the CEO, and other members of the club should have paid these players before they travel to Hilal. That's bad in their own part. Now, another people at fault here are the players, because I think the players should actually train. They should have trained, prepare for. This is a crucial game. They should have prepared for this game, play very well, and get a positive result, because if you get a positive result, there is no way the club will deny you your podiums when you get back to Ghana. It's a very crucial game. You should just play and put out a good performance. Play your best. This is a crucial game. We should be focusing on the game, not podiums at this moment. After you come back to Ghana, we talk about the podiums, and this is what is going on in Sudan right now, because right now the boys, they don't have anywhere to train, and it's going to be a problem if they don't get a training space on time, because they are going to face Hilal tomorrow in Sudan. So that is the update I wanted to give you guys. So if you have any thoughts, I would like to know your thoughts on this particular topic. Put them down in the comment section and tell me what you think about this particular topic. So that's all. I'll be posting the preview of the match very soon, so subscribe if you haven't.